Hey everyone, I'm out in my garden today and I just want to show you a couple of things I've got going on. The main thing I want to show you is Marie, she got me a trail cam for my birthday last week, and I've had it set up out here next to the garden watching for deer to come walking through the garden. So far I haven't got any deer, but I did get a lot of pictures of birds flying into the bird feeder, and I want to show you that. But let me turn the camera around here real quick and I want to show you my peppers and my okra real quick. Okay, this is one of my cherry tomato plants, and two of them out there is already starting to bend over. They're looking bad, but I've got 5 cherry tomato plants and they're still producing pretty good. And over here, these 3 plants down through here are my beefsteak tomatoes I planted late, and they do have some tomatoes on them, so hopefully they'll keep on growing. But hopefully the camera will pick this up good. But this is my 1941 peppers. They're also called, they're actually cayenne peppers, but we call them 1941s. Got a lot of pretty red peppers on there. I'm going to be picking those today. Let me take you over here. This is my corn, and corn's not doing as good as I'd like for it to be doing, but we will be harvesting some of that corn. Here's some more of the 41 peppers, and I'm definitely going to be picking these today. This heat, I think we're at 94 degrees right now, and this heat is really hot today. But this is my okra, and getting ready to harvest some of that okra here in just a little while. Also, I picked a good bit of it day before yesterday, but the okra is looking good. Banana peppers have just about quit. So anyway, that's just a little quick update on the garden, but let me show you the main thing I wanted to show you on this video. Okay, right here, this is the trail cam that Marie got me for my birthday, and I've got it pointed in the direction of the bird feeder. Let me come around this way and show you the front of it. The trail cam is probably going to take a picture of me while I'm taking a picture of it. Okay, but what I'll do, I'm going to pull that card out here in just a little bit and take it inside and check it. And if I've got some real pretty pictures of the birds coming to the bird feeder, I will post them in this video also. Okay, this is video from the trail cam, and the trail cam did pick me up while I was out there working in the garden. I was cutting down some of the tomato plants that's quit producing and just cleaning up the garden in general. This trail cam is made by Wild Game Innovations. This one is the Razor 14 Extreme Lights Out version. They don't really have a model number. It just says Razor 14 Extreme Lights Out. So far I'm happy with it. The video quality is not great, but it does record pretty good when the birds fly into the bird feeder. Like I said, I'm still anxiously waiting for a deer to come in the yard. I even took down my little guard around the garden so that give the deer a chance to come over. I want to see how the camera records the deer. But I'm pretty happy with how the trail cam is picking up all the birds. And I'll go ahead and let this play for just a little bit longer before I end the video. just want to tell everyone to have a great day. We really appreciate you watching our channel, and we will see you on our next video.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here